Today we're exploring the Cerrado, the Brazilian savanna, and I'm standing in the field site in the Serra das Araras ecological station in the west of Mato Grosso, near the Brazilian border with Bolivia. And this is a system of an iconic system of the Brazilian savanna, amongst the most biodiverse savannas on Earth. And what makes a savanna so valuable for biodiversity is its openness. It isn't a closed forest. It's something that's regularly opened either by large animals or, in this case, by fire. And that regularity of fire enables grasses and the understory to thrive and increases the amount of nutrients and energy flow, and the disturbance makes the vibrancy, the vitality of the savanna. And here we're visiting an experiment that's looking at the role that different types of fire, different frequencies of fire have on the structure and the ecological interactions and the vibrancy of savanna ecosystems. So I'm here with Dr Imma Oliveras, and who has been running an experiment here for several years, exploring these interactions. So Imma, do you want to tell us about what you're doing here?
Hi, Yadvinder. Thank you. Yeah, sure. So this is what we call the CerFogo experiment, so the Cerrado Fogo experiment. This ecological station was excluding from natural fire, so total fire exclusion policy after 1992. And around 2015, with the managers, ICMBio is the federal government organization that conserves and is in charge of the fire management, we decided to reintroduce the fire and look at the ecological, how we could ecological make a cerrado turn into a functional ecosystem again, reintroducing fire. So we have 6 plots, 1 hectare. 3 of them, we are keeping them as a control, so excluded fire. And then we have plots that we burn annually, or every 2 years, or every 3 years, like this one. This is burning every 3 years. Usually it burns quite high intensity, so some of the bigger trees that were fast-growing trees that had established during that fire exclusion period, and they are fire sensitive, died, but they allowed the introduction of all these grasses that were excluded when the canopies had closed due to fire exclusion. So we are having a shift from more closed canopy environment that happened gradually during this fire exclusion period, and we are reversing it to, again, an open system with grasses and shrubs like this one being back in the ecology.
Fantastic. So this is a wonderful example of how disturbance builds ecosystems and to explore the role of different types of
Exactly, and we're looking at how different frequencies also and intensities can shape differently the ecosystem in different perspectives.
Fantastic. Let's go look at some other
Wonderful,
treatments.
let's go.